All right, let's step back for a moment and think about what's really happening around us. Global markets are shifting, central banks are quietly making moves, and the U.S. national debt has ballooned to an almost unimaginable $36 trillion. These aren't just numbers, they're signs of a system that is potentially stretching thinner and thinner. If you're planning your future, you need to ask yourself, what's your backup plan if the system starts to strain under its own weight? There's a reason gold has been trusted for thousands of years. It's not just an asset, it's a foundation, something tangible and real that holds its value through market twists and turns. In today's unpredictable financial climate, more and more people are turning to precious metals to help safeguard their futures. Recently, Ole Hansen, head of commodity strategy at Saxo Bank, has remained bullish on the price of gold. He points out that rising U.S. interest rates and a stronger dollar triggered some short-term sell-offs, but the real story is in the long-term fundamentals driving demand for gold. So what's the story? I'm going to tell you in just a minute, but before I do, if you're interested in learning about the best ways to help hedge against inflation and market fluctuations, give us a call today and request a free retirement diversification kit. You could qualify for up to 10% instant match in bonus silver. Okay, looking at the bigger picture, government spending is spiraling out of control. Trillions are being spent on tax cuts, infrastructure projects, and defense, and this has pushed the national debt to record levels, adding even more pressure on the U.S. dollar. When the dollar weakens, alternatives like gold and silver become not just appealing but essential. For decades, the US dollar dominated as the world's reserve currency, but that dominance is starting to waver. Central banks are increasing their gold holdings, signaling a global shift toward long-term stability. Hansen predicts this trend could drive gold prices significantly higher, with $2,600 per ounce being a critical threshold to watch. On top of that, geopolitical tensions are adding to the uncertainty. Rising oil prices fueled by conflicts in the Middle East and potential sanctions on major oil-producing nations are unsettling markets. Historically, during times of turmoil, gold has been a reliable safe haven. It doesn't rely on politics or policies. It simply holds its value, making it a stable choice in an unstable world. This is where a self-directed IRA comes in. A self-directed IRA allows you to diversify with physical gold and silver. These aren't just paper promises, they're real assets you can rely on when there is uncertainty in the financial markets. It's not about speculation or chasing trends. It's about building a foundation that lasts. Now think about it. When central banks, the entities that control the creation of money, are shifting their reserves into gold, well, doesn't it make sense to possibly consider doing the same? Hansen himself said, "The fiscal environment is creating an opportunity for precious metals to outperform." The signs are everywhere: rising inflation, geopolitical instability, and actions by the world's most powerful financial institutions all point to one thing: that gold could be a safe and reliable choice for the future. You might be asking yourself, why should I potentially do this now? The answer is simple. Gold and silver have held their value for centuries through wars, financial crises, and market volatility. They're not tied to any one government or policy, which makes them uniquely suited to help protect your savings in an increasingly interconnected and unpredictable world. Adding precious metals to a self-directed IRA isn't just about diversification. It allows you to safeguard your future on your own terms. With so much uncertainty in the air, having that control is not just a luxury, it may turn out to be a necessity. So, hey, if you're ready to take the next step in learning how to help secure your financial future, it's easy to get started. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to learn more about how Goldco can help you add gold and silver to your retirement portfolio. You may even qualify for up to a 10% instant match in bonus silver. Scan, click, or call. We would love to chat with you.